Good morning. Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing today? Oh, how's chat? How is chat doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everybody all over this planet, this globe. Here we go. Yes, sir. Here we go. How's everybody doing today, man? Of course, listen, we got to start off the stream by reminding you guys, for anybody new in here, if you have not joined our free Discord yet, what are you doing is the real question here. We just ran a savage giveaway on the weekend. So again, if you are not in the free giveaway, or sorry, in the free Discord yet, hop in there. We're gonna be doing many more giveaways going forward. Myself and Tyler are in there. Papa Riz dropping lots of value for you guys. Doing good. Good to see all you guys, man. I'm back. It's a fresh week. It's a new week. How was your guys' weekend? How was your Mondays? Mr. Tyler took over yesterday in Asia last night. Good, and gold making crazy moves. Yeah, what a big surprise. Gold is not tradable again right now. Sitting all at all-time highs. It's good to see lots of familiar faces in here. I appreciate all of you guys for tuning in, hanging out. What's good? Yeah, lots of familiar names, man. Good, thanks. Good afternoon. Where's Abid? Mr. Abid is doing his thing. Oh no. Oh no, guys, Tyler's in stream already. Don't worry, Papa is here. If you guys have not, listen, before we start anything, if you guys are not watching the Asia streams, what are you doing? What are you doing? You need to be watching those It's funny because I'm always messaging Tyler and I'm like, dude, please stream Asia tonight. It's either I watch Netflix or I watch Tyler. But I want to watch Tyler, man. This guy's, he's killing me. I've been loving the Asia streams. I've been hanging out with you guys. I've been in chat. Going absolutely crazy. And gold has been on a pullback from what if I've been dumping. Yeah, gold had a wild move overnight. I saw it to the downside, but it's not tradable for now for me. Does Abbott and you still make videos? Yes, of course, Robs. I always support my brother Marky. Yo, let's go, Tyler. W. I'm actually, guys, so I'm flying out to Miami on Saturday. And Tyler's actually such a nice guy because he's leaving his condo for me. He's kicking himself out and I get to have his bed, his whole condo basically. He's filling up the fridge for me. He's honestly the nicest guy in the world. I appreciate Tyler, man. He's just giving me his condo for the week. So what a nice guy. Good morning, Max. Good to see you in here, bro. Good to see all of you guys. Yo, we got a good stream coming for you guys today. I think we got some decent opportunity. We have news today at, I don't have my screen open yet for you guys yet, but we have news at 10 a.m. my time. So in about an hour's time. Yo, Tyler says I'm cuddling with Marky. Oh man, yo, Tyler, we gotta hit gym every single day, because I can't get off my grind when I'm over there in Miami. So I need gym every single day. I fly in Saturday night, and there you guys go. Wifey's back in the building, so watch what you guys are saying to me because wifey's got eyes and ears out now. Waiting for more structure. Yeah. If you're talking about gold, yes, sir. Okay, guys, we'll hop in. All the good stuff. We'll talk about some charts here. But without further ado, you know the drill. None of this would be possible. And for the people that are in the Discord, you guys know that none of this would be possible without our wonderful sponsors. TradeZella, Apex, the goated futures firm. Then you have Funded Next, another goated CFD firm. None of this would be possible without those guys. They are incredibly generous enough to be supplying us with giveaway after giveaway for you guys. And And yeah, these are the best firms, and we only recommend the best firms. Okay, so again, for all the futures guys, you know the drill. Apex Trader Funding, 80% off right now. Code CF for your best discounts. And of course, with the Funded Next guys, same thing. Code CF. Again, big thanks to them. None of this, what we do on stream, would be possible without these guys. So they're big help. Much love to them. They're family with to us. So yeah, and there you go. Funded Next. Goats over here as well. Code CF. You can see that. Boom. Let's go. All right, guys. How we all doing though? Listen, before we hop into charts, you know the drill. Can you guys see me? I'm talking to you right there. Like the stream. Like the stream. Before we do anything else, like the stream. Thumbs up, man. It's free. It's free. Why not? And there you go. Mr. Web_3 back in my chat saying the exact same message that he was saying in Tyler's chat. Explain your strategy. Demanding. You keep spamming that message, bro, and you're going to get a timeout just like the other people. No spamming in chat. You spam, I time out. That's it. Simple. Simple, simple, simple. Oh no, what Wifey and Tyler are talking in chat right now. What's going on here? What am I missing? Mr. Wonder says, Marco, there's potential on EJ. I don't look at EJ personally, but listen, we're gonna hop into some charts here. Let's talk. Let's hang out. Let's go over some pairs. So personally, I want to see YM to the upside. I'm keen on seeing YM to the upside. However, I do believe PDL needs to be taken first. So unfortunately, there's no way of taking a direct entry as well. I'm going to need to see price below PDL. Okay. And then possibly we can look for that long to the upside afterwards. So that's kind of the rough idea of what I want to see. The target is very clean for me. However, the price action that we've got delivered to us so far, ever since we've taken out these lows here, no bueno, not good, not clean at all. Okay, so we'll have to wait and see what price action is going to look like. However, I do want to see PDL ran. That's what we're going to be looking for on YM personally. For all you gold fiends, please do not ask me what I'm trading with gold right now, because gold is not in a tradable state currently. Okay, so for anybody asking me for my 2 cents on gold, my 2 cents is steer clear right now. Okay, because it is not tradable in my opinion yet. So gold, I am sidelined. All right. What's chat saying now? Sameem, I am good, bro. Good to see you in here. You're a familiar name. Hope you're doing well, bro. Oh my God, I'm trying to catch up on chat right now. What's good, all of you guys? There's an SMT with PDL with ES though. So I don't trade SMT. I don't know anything about it. I don't know what's good about it, what's not. I don't know nothing. So I get some messages asking if I use SMT. I do not. I do not. Euro, nothing I really love. Okay, it's just strictly off price action given to us right now. It can continue to short to these lows, which I have marked on 1.17079 is what I got marked out, this blue line. However, nothing I really want to be involved in right now. It's kind of just a forecast, nothing tradable in my opinion. I don't trade GU. If we have time in a bit, we'll take a look. However, AU, I'm bullish on. I'm bullish on AU to previous weekly high, but same kind of thing, same kind of idea as YM. We need to see price below these lows. Okay, so I got YM and AU checked off for us right now, so we're gonna keep an eye on AU as well. All right, UJ, nothing too crazy yet, unfortunately. It's another one of those ones where I'm just waiting. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait. I just need more price action. I do believe sooner or later we will come for 151.30. We've been talking about that the last couple streams, but again, just nothing too tradable in my opinion right now. Nothing I'm interested in. GJ on a mega sell-off right now, but it looks good. It looks good. Okay, to these lows. I want price to these lows. All right, we're gonna reevaluate after these lows, but 190 here. You know what? We'll use a blue line just to make it a little bit more obvious for you guys. But 197.85 is what I'm looking at on GJ. Okay. Samim, I'm always here on your live, bro. 100%. 100%. I know you are. You're a familiar name. I see you in here all the time. I recognize all you guys, man. Thanks for all of you guys coming to hang out with me on this fine Tuesday. We got a fresh week ahead of us. Listen, by the way, I know Tyler's been talking about it on his stream as well. It is NFP week. All right, it is NFP week. So all I'm gonna say is step carefully. Be careful, because typically during NFP week, the days leading up to it, especially Thursday at the least, but usually honestly the whole week leading up to NFP is ugly, rangy, consolidating. Okay, so be aware of that. Don't be surprised if we get some weird price action until Friday comes along. All right, we might be too early, but how do we enter giveaway? I'm not running any giveaways right now. I'll keep you guys updated. Do you enter trades on different time frames? Yes, 100%. I use all these time frames. For the most part, what am I entering in on? Entries are usually taken on 1 hour, 30, 15, 5. If I'm scalping, which I only am scalping on futures, 1 minute. But those are all these time frames you guys have right now on the top of my screen is all the time frames I use. Okay? But there's not one specific time frame to do one thing. I use whatever time frame is clear to me in that current moment. German 40, guys, what an annoying asset right now, because as you guys know, we were in longs down here last week and I wanted price up to these highs, so we got taken out BE over here actually. So we're no longer in this trade right now. It looks like it's gonna run for these highs, which we did want to see. However, it's not, we're not involved in it right now. All I can see is messages between wifey right now and Tyler in chat. I don't know what they're talking about, guys, but let's ignore that. Okay, that's a side convo. Hello from Zimbabwe. Yo, hello back to you. I'm gonna butcher this name, but I'm gonna try it. Mikaluli. Mikaluli? Marco, please check NQ and US30. Yes, we already did. We talked about YM already, my brother. I am currently waiting on YM Aussie. We're gonna be eyeing stock open, which is in 15 minutes. All right, and we're also gonna be eyeing 10 a.m. news right here. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on both. If I'm gonna be trading any sort of forex pair, I won't be taking anything ideally until 10 a.m. is announced. Futures, different story. I wouldn't mind taking a trade after stock open. So we'll wait and see what kind of price action is delivered. However, I do love these highs on YM. 46,796. I don't care if they ask you to go on a run to Brickell. Oh my god, this guy's talking about BBL baddies in Miami. No, thank you. But listen, Tyler, when I get there Saturday night, Sunday we need to hit a workout. We need to go gym. Sunday, we need to go gym. Honestly, every single day I need to be going gym. So I know you're on that gym grind every single day, so you got to lock that in with me. Don't worry, Marco, we will turn your location settings off on your phone. Oh man. Have you ever considered using a software like Bookmap that usually shows where all the liquidity lies instead of figuring out based on lows to left? Amin? I have not. I just trade, yeah, the technicals, candlestick charts. Marco, you want to come with me to Elevation? That gym is insane. 100%. I'm down for any sort of gym. Sunday I have a long run, so we'll hit the gym Sunday, and then I'll hit my long run right after. I'll just do it on the treadmill, but I got to do 15K or 10 miles. I'll do 10 miles on the treadmill after our workout. But yeah, we need to be going gym every single day, please. NQ is respecting the highs and building liquidity. Yeah, NQ is kind of similar to YM. But guys, I won't lie to you. I have these pairs checked off. Even YM, I don't love it because the delivery we've gotten so far. It's so different to like some of the positions I was taking last week or even the week before. Not highly confident in them. The only pair or asset I'm the most confident in is AU. However, I'm still gonna need to wait because yes, I need price below for one, but also I'm gonna be looking for a confirmation entry below these lows because I'm not taking an entry off from the left hand side in here. I need to wait for a confirmation in here. Marco, what are your views on trade management or following SL and TP only? Yeah, so okay, my best advice for you guys is, especially in the learning stages, and especially in the learning stages, when you guys take a trade, don't screw with it. Don't screw with it. Meaning, you have a stop loss set. Okay, wait, listen. We're gonna go step by step here. You do your analysis. Okay, you have a setup in front of you. You set a target. You set a stop loss. All right, and you enter the trade. Now, especially in the learning stages, because you lack experience, you do not want to screw with that trade while it's playing out. Okay, because emotionally you won't be there at that point yet where you can kind of manage it on the go. You have a stop loss, you have a target, see it through. Okay, it's either going to be your stop or it's going to be your target. That's it. And that's very important in the learning stages. As you progress as a trader, I feel like it's fine. You can start managing the trade more reasonably. Okay, because you have more experience under your belt. You know what you want to be looking for. But in the learning stages, guys, you're too prone to making mistakes and while you're in a trade, because as soon as you hit buy or sell, your emotions are going to be heightened. Okay, you have a P&L floating, you're in the plus, you're in the negative, so you're more prone to make mistakes based off emotion. So my best advice is you take the trade, you have a stop, you have a target, see it through, period. Last week I did 25K, Marco. Yo, Samim W, bro, that's a solid run right there. Yo, wait, Marco, let's go into anatomy. I don't know what that is. We can do cold plunge and sauna after. I'm down for that. I'm so down for that. I will guard Marco you with my life. He only has eyes for me. Yo, what am I reading in chat? How's chat doing, man? How was your Monday yesterday, guys? Hopefully you guys didn't start off the week by blowing accounts or anything like that. Hopefully that wasn't the case. I'm praying it wasn't the case, because that would not be the vibes to be starting off the week with blowing accounts on a Monday. Let's stay patient here. I try to tell you guys every single time I'm on stream. You guys see it firsthand. I have no problem taking 0 trades all week if no setups come along. You guys have seen it before. There was like 2 streams back to back. I didn't take nothing, and that's what it comes down to. Top G says, yo, what are your chart backgrounds color code? Honestly, guys, it's nothing too crazy, but in my opinion, it's clean. Body white, other body black, and then borders are black, wicks are black, and the canvas is the first gray. So not white, it's the first gray. It's just very light on the eyes, and you can see everything nice and clear. And then when you plot like blue lines on or red lines on, you can see them nice and clear. Web_3, we have a 2-hour long ChartFanatics video. Mods, if you can spam chat for a second, because Web3 keeps asking for the strategy. There's a 2-hour long video on ChartFanatics channel discussing everything about my strategy. So if you want to learn about how I trade, watch that video. And don't watch it once, watch it twice, watch it 3 times, watch it 4 times. If you don't understand it, keep watching it. Promise, I'm not looking at NQ today, bro. I just don't have a good idea of where it could be heading. Indice wise, I'm gonna be focusing on YM for the day. Again, guys, when like you guys are asking me to look at assets that I don't really, and I'll be always honest. Sometimes I have a good idea of where pairs could be heading to. However, when you guys are asking me to look at pairs, I don't have a good idea of where they're heading. I don't want to feed you an analysis that I'm not confident in. I'm only gonna speak on assets I'm confident in, because then I don't want to be I don't want to say on the hook, but I don't want to be blamed for a bad analysis and then maybe you guys had it right the whole time, right? So I'm always gonna tell you guys, sometimes I still have a decent idea of where pairs are heading, but they're not really tradable. Like for example, YM, right? I'm bullish. I want these highs to go. Entry wise, there's nothing yet. There's just nothing yet. We just have to wait for a setup, right? We gotta stay patient here. We got stock open in 8 minutes, and then we got news in roughly 40-ish, 38 minutes. Hey Marco, Sydney here from Zimbabwe. Your strategy is making me win. Like, it's amazing how I found more consistency. I wish I can share my setups with you. Yo, keep at it. If you follow me on Twitter, just tag me on Twitter. Tag me on some, send some charts on Twitter and tag me. I go through as many tweets as I can. All my links are in the description in the stream, guys. So that goes for anybody in here. If you guys are learning how I trade, if you guys are applying to the charts and you guys are taking trades, wins or losses, it doesn't matter. Post it on Twitter, tag me. Jan Toman says, great video on IE Saturday. Yo, guys, I'm gonna be honest. The reason why I didn't post another YouTube video today is because the one I posted on Saturday is a banger. A banger. So much value in the YouTube video I posted on Saturday. So if you guys have not watched that, I definitely recommend it. I definitely recommend it. Here, just because a lot of you guys are asking on Euro, guys, this is what I have on Euro right now. However, downside, like further downside is very possible as well. PDH is now taken. We've taken a high from the left as well. Okay, which has now fueled this move, right? This shouldn't have been the sell-off because we left this high. Now that we've taken that high, that's why you're starting to see that sell-off. So, entry-wise, there was nothing at the highs, in my opinion. So, nothing I would have taken at least. And yeah, now it's just selling off. These lows look like it's going to be the target on EU, but I don't have a good idea of what's going to happen after that. Marco, you're going to receive like 200K tweets. Yo, I'm not going to lie. Listen, that's completely fine. Want to know why? I love seeing people tweet me charts using my concepts, using my system. It's a great feeling. So listen, do not ever hesitate to tweet me on Twitter. I try to go through all of them as much as possible, at least. Why don't you trade US 30 or 100 instead of YM? Because I trade futures as well. I trade futures for, so you can see down here, I'm signed into my Tradebate. But I trade NQ and YM on futures. And then all the Forex pairs are down below. GBP USD, guys, I don't trade GU. Well, we can take a look real quick before stock open, but like I usually say, guys, take it as a grain of salt. I don't look at the pair. I don't track the pair. It could just continue off. It's taking this low. Let's see. So we've stabbed above previous monthly's high. We're starting to get that move to the downside. We've left equals here on the monthly, it looks like. Is that equals? Yeah, we've left equals down here. Last week, very bearish. This week, maybe it's printed its high of the week already, but I'm not too sure. Left PDH. We're going bearish right now. Okay, so it makes sense to run for these lows for now. What happens afterwards, I'm not too sure. It could go long after these lows go. We have plenty of liquidity left at the highs. Yeah, I would just keep an eye on these lows, guys. Maybe there's a long after these lows go. Back up to PDH. Maybe. Don't be a lot. I mean, keep an eye on these as well. These lows down here. Nothing I love on GBP USD yet either. So I feel like news maybe in 35 minutes will clear things up a little more on Forex. But that's currently all I see right now. That's currently all I see. You know what we can do? Honestly, mods, he keeps saying the same thing over and over and over, and he does not listen to anything we say. So he's gonna get timed out. Marco, just look at ETH crypto. Okay, we can take a look at crypto real quick. Where is ETH? ETH is over here. So Ethereum trade below the lows. We are at all-time highs. We've ran all-time highs. Okay, and we've gone bearish for a bit. Taking out some internal highs here. Yeah. Just another one of those assets I'm not too sure on right now, guys. We're building liquidity at this low. And for me to take a trade on this thing, I'd need price below this low if I was going to. If price spikes below this low, you could see a long. You could see a long down here. It's possible. That's all I see though, currently. Nothing too interesting. Can you show all of your indicators? My indicators are right here. We're gonna hop back to the pairs we're looking at here. So we got stock open in 2.5 minutes. All right, let's see. Jason says, I'm sitting on the sidelines until news. Smart man. Smart man. I wish everybody in here had that mindset. Niche Pip says, do you trade stocks? Also, Marco, I do not. I do not. Jonathan says, I have the same liquidity line on YM. Thanks for the strategy. Much love, bro. Mr. Wonder, you're going to tweet me right now? What are you going to tweet me? Let's take a look. I don't see a tweet right now. Nothing. I'll keep an eye. The market is about to open. Yes, sir. It's about to open. Nothing interesting yet. We'll see, guys. I'll keep you on. I'll keep you in the loop. All right. I think PDL is on the cards for YM possibly. Aussie chilling for now as well. I want to see price below the lows. Yes, chat. Listen, we have almost 350 people in here, and we got 125 likes. Man, yo, do me a favor, like the stream. We're gonna be running some giveaways later on. So for everybody in here right now, I said it now. If you guys miss the opportunity to enter later on, it is not my fault. All right. I've said it once. I'll say it again. We have giveaways we're running later, so make sure you stay in the stream. And yeah, if you're not here later on and you miss the entries, it's not my fault, man. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But like the stream if you guys have not yet already. We're gonna be running some giveaways later on. W's. Yo, what's good, Jacob? Good to see you in here, bro. Welcome back. You're a familiar face. Jan says, how is running going on, bro? It's good. It's good. I had a savage workout this morning. Actually, it wasn't even savage. It was just a really, really nice workout this morning on the track. YM's going long off the open. But yeah, Jan, it was a fire workout. It was good. It was nice. Solid. I got like 10K or 11K in the legs this morning on the track. YM going long. NQ going short. We'll see. See what happens here. W's. Jonathan says, come on, people, show some love. How was there 350 people watching, but only 94 likes? Get those likes up. Yo, I agree. Jonathan's onto something here. Jonathan's onto something. We have 350 people in the stream, but only 150 likes. What's going on here? What is going on here? YM has spiked up off the open, but it's respected the high so far. Okay. We'll continue to wait and see what price wants to do. Go get PDL NQ. I know you want it. NQ is... I'm not sure. Yeah, NQ, man. I have not been able to get a read on NQ in weeks, guys. Weeks. See what price does below hourly low here. It's possible we go back long, guys. We have these highs. We're left now. London highs. Yeah, we'll see what price does below these lows here. PDL is already swept. No, PDL has not been swept yet. Akash. PDL is right here. You can see on my chart the daily line here. That has not been ran yet. It's possible gold longs, guys, in this area. I mean, not gold, sorry. NQ. I'm going to keep an eye down here in the blue box. Can we look for longs? I mean, we'll have to wait and see. I'm not entirely sure. The thing is, the lower time frames look good. Okay, for entry. The problem is the higher time frames I'm not entirely sure on right now. So, and that's what holds the weight. So yes, sometimes the lower time frames can look pitch perfect. However, if the higher time frames are incorrect, the lower time frames will get disrespected over and over and over, which might even happen right now. So that's why I'm staying careful. There you go. Low's gone here. 4 hour. I mean, the thing is, guys, this thing there's a possibility it's very, very bearish. I'm talking like back down to these lows, these regions. So looking for a short-term move back up is risky business sometimes. The most ideal scenario for me to be involved in a sell on NQ right now is I would need price above old highs. Okay, and we're not. Right now we're respecting highs, which is fine, because what happens sometimes is we build liquidity like this, right? And this is what I want to see. This is like the first step to my system, is I want to see sellers entering the market, which we're getting right here. However, in order for me to participate in any sells, I need to see price above the highs. If I'm bearish, of course. PDL is 24721. Oh, wait, sorry. That's up here. Yeah, PDL is right here, guys. It's literally on my chart here. Oh, I was looking at the index chart, not futures. Oh, shit. Yeah, probably could be different, right? Could be different. I'm going to keep an alert here on Aussie dollar, guys. I'm going to keep an alert, and we'll wait on that. I see higher time frame bearish on NQ. It's possible. It's possible. I don't have any sort of setup, guys. So when I don't have a setup, I don't have data on this type of price action, meaning I just don't have a good sense of what price wants to do right now, which is fine. Which is fine. That's when I just wait. That's it. Hi, Marco. I'm in gold longs. I wish you the best of luck, bro. You're long at all-time highs. It could go long. It could go short. So I'll pray for you. I'll pray it works out. If it works out, awesome. Yeah, Moonside, I have no idea what Golds wants to do. I don't know how you guys trade all-time highs. I really don't know. I don't know how you guys do it. Because I don't see any price action in front of my face. I literally just see this. So how do you guys know where we're going? It's impressive. Euro respecting the low right now. If you guys are wanting to long Euro in any way, shape, or form, if you guys are doing it right now at this low, expect a trap. All right, be careful. Godspeed, literally, guys. If you are trading gold right now, Godspeed. Be careful, please. Marco, thoughts on EU shorts? Currently looking at them. Yeah, Mr. Wonder, I don't know, bro. I do like these lows to go. The reason I say I don't know is just there's just no type of entry per my system right now. Directionally speaking, sure, these lows can go. However, entry criteria, entry-wise, there's nothing for me. Nada. Nothing, nada. Let's go back to YM. YM has left the highs intact for now. For now. Yeah, Greg, there's no reason to come in here and start saying that kind of stuff. I can tell you for a fact they're not. We would not be partnered with people that don't have a reputable reputation. But yeah, there's no need to come around and start stating false claims. Marco, do you use RTH for Ethereum for previous day low? I don't know what RTH is, IRAF. Not sure, bro. Daver says, I decided to copy you and started running 6 kilometers daily. W, Daver. Well done, bro. Keep at it. Stay consistent with it. Hulk, what does it mean to type W? W is just like, win. So like if a good thing happens, we'll spam W's in the chat. All right. Tony says, Marco, I wanted to ask a question. Let's say, regardless of your country, based on your time zone, do you prefer London or New York? New York, any day of the week. I will always say New York. In my opinion, I think New York will always provide more opportunity. Yeah, Shaw, I would be careful shorting German 30 until these highs are taken. Any shorts before these highs is a risky business. Be careful. Be careful, be careful. YM coming back to the high. What's NQ doing? NQ below 4-hour low. EU going long. Yeah, like I said, you guys need to understand that when the market is moving, these are not all types of moves you want to be in. That's why it's important to have a system and stick to it, right? For example, I understand right now, guys, and this is simple concepts right here. We've taken out the high here. This is now an area retail is going to be looking to enter long positions from. Okay, now just because there's a reaction does not mean we're going to go long off it. Okay, it's most likely just building liquidity right now. If it wants to go long, guys, and go up to the highs, take out new highs, it's not a move I want to be in, because this is a trap. Okay, so yes, it's respecting the low, and it could respect the low and come all the way back up here. There's a good chance of that. But again, not a long I want to be involved in, because you're trading with liquidity. That's just risky business. So this is when it's very important for you to identify when it's low probable conditions and higher probable conditions. Right now, longing in this specific situation is extremely low probable, and you're setting yourself up for some risky trading, in my opinion. I need to fuel my stuff up right now. I got carbs, electrolytes, and creatine in here. What's Ozzy saying? Ozzy's gone long off the lows. Nothing I want to be involved in yet. Okay, we're going to continuously wait for price below these lows on Ozzy. So stay tuned with Ozzy. I'm going to keep that on the back burner for now. What's YM saying? YM back at the highs. You know what, guys? Like, this is also like, it's been ugly since yesterday. Ever since we ran this low yesterday, it's been ugly. But I'm actually not surprised whatsoever. Why? Guys, it's NFP week. Okay, and I know that price typically has some ugly delivery prior to the NFP announcement. Okay, once NFP is priced in on Friday at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, that's when the market will like show you its hand and unfold price. Do you look at market strength or weakness for trade confirmation? I do not. I do not. Please show your indicator outputs. Yeah, the guys, my indicator I have on right now is private, so you guys don't have this indicator. When will be the giveaway? Yeah, we're running giveaways today, guys. We got lots of giveaways, to be honest with you. So for everybody in here right now, like the stream. The more likes we get today, the more giveaways I'll do. I can promise you that. The more likes we get, listen, the more likes we get, the more giveaways I'll do. I promise. We'll have some fire ones today. There might not be any NFP gub shut down. Wait, what? Mr. Wonder says, Marco, you see the tweet. Let me check for you, bro. I got you. I got you. I don't think I see a tweet from you. What's your Twitter? I don't see it right now. Yeah, guys, my indicator is private, so there's no I don't have no settings to show you guys. No, wow, it could be delayed. Interesting. I don't think I've ever seen that before in my years and years of being involved in the markets. I don't think I've ever seen NFP get delayed. Guys, you know what? The wifey's right. 1 second here. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Everybody hold your horse. Hold your horses. Okay. My recent tweet was with wifey. Go check out my recent tweet with the wife. It was a week in the life. Week in the life with wifey. You gotta go like it. You gotta go like it. And it's just standard procedure. It's just out of respect for the wifey. You have to do it for the wife, man. You know how girls are, guys. You know how they are. Hey Marco, Leighton today was back testing liquidity and FVGs. Let's go, Richie. Your familiar name as well, bro. Welcome back in. I appreciate all of you guys for hanging out. But listen, for any new people in here, remember the rules. The more likes we get, the more I can give away to you guys. And we will be running giveaways today. That's 100%. But how many giveaways we do, it depends on you guys. The more you guys smash that thumbs up, the more giveaways I can do for you. That's how the rules work. You know what's crazy? It's such an easy rule. Want to know why? Liking the stream is free. It's free. It's free and so easy. So go tell mom, dad, brother, sister, dog, cat, rabbit, kangaroo, rhino. Go tell them all. Okay, if you have a pet lion, tell the pet lion. I don't care who you tell. Like the stream, guys. You like it? We give away free stuff, man. W. You're gonna wait for Asia, Tyler? Yeah, bro. You know what? Might not be a bad play. I'm just gonna wait to see. Just because we have fundamentals in 15 minutes, I want to see what those do. It might unfold price a bit for me. There you go. NQ's gone long off the lows, which I do like. However, I feel like it's just gonna be one of those plays where it's a spike and go. So the continuations look great, guys, on NQ. If you guys are in NQ somehow, I don't know how you guys could be, but if you're in NQ from the lows, hold to these highs. Looks great. Looks great. What positions are you currently in? I am not in any positions right now. For everybody new in stream, if I'm ever in any positions, you'll see on the right-hand side, the flag will be, or whatever, the marker will be blue. And of course, if I'm in positions on futures, you'll see it on my chart. Okay, but if I'm in positions on Forex, you'll see that my marker will be blue, and it'll give you a good idea of what positions I'm out and what positions I'm in. The EU longs are so caca. Yeah, man. Be careful long the EU right now, guys. Risky business. Risky business. Still at 88 likes? No, we're almost at 250 likes, but the problem is there's a glitch. There's a glitch. I don't know if it must be YouTube's problem, right? Tyler, it must be YouTube's problem, no? Because there's 390 of us watching the stream, but there's 250 likes, so there must be a glitch, right? Is it YouTube? It must be YouTube's problem. It's got to be YouTube's problem. Glitch? Must be a glitch. Uncle Tyler's here? Yeah, Uncle Tyler is here, bro. That's the brother. The thing is, guys, this is the kind of PA you get during NFP week. And it's all done for a reason. And it'll make more sense throughout the week. I would not be surprised if this is going to be a future target for NFP. These lows that we're building right now on Euro. So I could not give a shit if we come down these lows and go long all the way back up here. I don't care how high we go. I understand that this is not a move I want to be in. It's not how the market works. I'm going to be honest with you, because now this is going to be a form of liquidity and we can short into it or long out of it. Yo, guys, I didn't say it. I didn't say it, but Tyler said, guys, if you don't like the stream today, we can't do an Asia stream tonight. And you know what? That makes me really, really sad, because not only do you guys love the Asia streams, I love the Asia streams. So I need you guys to do me a favor. Like the stream today, because if you do, then Tyler is going live in Asia tonight. And I love when Tyler goes live in Asia because his streams are goated. All right. And that is my form of entertainment every single night. All right, so do me a favor. You got to like the stream so I can watch Tyler tonight. Okay, and YM is above the highs, and we're getting a reaction right now. Can you look at the Dixie? I don't actually monitor the Dixie, bro. I do not monitor the Dixie. Aussie back at new highs. Aussie back at new highs. Euro respecting the low. Gold we're not going to look at. Okay, I know you guys love trading all-time highs, okay? But I don't trade all-time highs, okay? And yeah, it's no bueno. It really is no bueno. What kind of approach should I take to your strategy for high win rate? So for myself, where my stop loss goes, where my target is, it's all incredibly systematic. Meaning, I always know where my stop loss. Actually, sorry, the charts dictate how big or small my stop loss will be. For example, our short last week on UJ was a small stop. Okay, but the reason why it was this small was because my entry was taken off this area here. That, which means the market, my stop loss needs to be above that high. Sometimes, let's just say this high was all the way up here, and that was the high, like this. That means my stop loss needs to go all the way up here. So the chart, the market dictates how big my stop and how small my stop will be. Sometimes it's small, sometimes it's big. It's whatever it is. I don't give a shit how small or big it is. All I know is I wanna practice my plan and put my stop loss in the correct areas, of course, right? But again, the reason why I love my system so much is, again, it's just so systematic. I always know where my stop needs to go. I always know where my targets need to be. Which channel can I watch Tyler live on Asia? Good news. Great news. This channel right here. See how easy that is? This channel right here, ChartFanatics live. He's almost live. I think he's live almost every single night, guys. Except for the odd one here and there. He's almost live every single Asia stream. How do you not love that? I love that. Hopefully one day the sleepless nights will pay off. Listen, guys, and this goes for everybody in here. The only way you can find success in trading is if you just work your friggin' balls off. And in my opinion, success, and I'm gonna say this slowly, success is inevitable through efficient hard work. It's inevitable. I don't know how long it's gonna take because everybody's different. It could take someone a year, 2, 3, 4 years. But I can promise you, if you dedicate yourself and you work hard and you work hard efficiently, success is only inevitable. That's just how the world works. I promise you. You work your balls off, you'll be rewarded for it. Malik says gold at all-time highs. Why aren't you selling it? Like, I'm not in the business to to catch tops. I don't want to catch tops. I don't like catching tops. It's risky stuff. It's risky. Sell and let us know how that goes. Yo, Anwar, That's funny, bro, but you don't got to go so hard on the homie like that. Mark, are you trading full time? Yes, sir, I am. Look at my head, bro. I'm literally like, look. Does this not look like I trade full time? I've lost all my hair, man. Look at me. Come on, guys. Lock in. Of course I'm trading full time with a head like this. Do I recommend trading both CFD currencies or CFD indices? It's whatever you like at the end of the day. NQ might just continue bearish as well, guys. This is why I'm steered clear on everything right now. I'm sidelined on literally everything. We got news in 7 minutes. Let's see how this unfolds. Let me kiss that head. Yo. Pause? Yo, Freeman Peters, why are you being weird? Put that hat back on. Yo, you talk shit one more time, bro. I'm gonna put you in that timeout. All right, I'm gonna time you out. You're gonna be going on that bench. Timeout. I'll wear no hat if I want to. I don't give a shit about my hairline, bro. Yo, it takes me 2 minutes to shower. All right, that's my biggest flex. I don't gotta wash no hair, man. Yo, this shit is easy. And I run faster than all of you because I'm more aerodynamic. Lock in. You lost that hair while scalping? Yo. Fuck yeah, I did. That's why I don't scalp anymore. I'm just kidding. I scalp sometimes on futures. That's why I'm still losing hair, maybe. Yo, Tony says kiss that head for a free account. Bro, Tony, chill on me. First trading will lose all your hair, then it will later pay for your hair transplant. Honestly, bro, you're not wrong. I'm at the point, though, I don't give a shit about getting a hair transplant right now. I don't give a shit, man. I used to be like so self-conscious about my hair. I don't give a shit anymore. What the hell, dude? Marco, my problem is on entries. What do you mainly consider induced liquidity? So, I don't know how to pronounce your name, bro, but I definitely recommend going to watch my ChartFanatics video with Mr. Riz, because I go talk about everything. Direction, liquidity, entries, from A to Z. And if you have watched it, I definitely recommend you watch it again, because the questions you are asking will be answered in that video. Shaw says, exactly, Marco. Prediction is for gurus. Participation is for professionals. The money is made by getting the direction correct. Yes, sir. I don't trade to entertain. I don't want to trade every day. I don't need to trade every day. What time frames can we use to trade? Listen, whatever works for you. I will just always tell you guys, these are the time frames I use. They work for me. If you guys want to use the same ones I use, you're more than welcome to. I found success off it. Does not mean it's the end all be all though. All right. Some people want less time frames. Some people want more time frames. I'm going to the barber to get rid of all my hair so I can do the analysis chart like Marco. Yo, that might be the secret. Hannah, he will speak fluent Spanish by the time he gets back to you. Oh, man. Wait, did you guys see what the wifey just said? This is awkward. Absolutely ruined. You can keep him. Wait, do you guys think she means that? She doesn't want me back? Do you think my wife is breaking up with me right now? What the hell? This guy Tyler's gonna get me in trouble right now. Wow, I really miss those GJ shorts. Yeah, GJ has been on the short move right now. I'm gonna keep an eye on GJ the rest of the week, because there could be more continuation shorts throughout the week. As of right now, if I wanted to short this thing, I need price above this high. And that's a simple analysis right there. Why? This is a buildup of liquidity. Simple stuff. So there's no touching GJ right now. If I do want to involve myself in shorts, I'm going to want to see price above that high. Not only above this high, listen carefully. I want to see liquidity built to the downside as well, right? So however we build liquidity, maybe then we take the high like this, and then we have liquidity to target to the downside, right? Oops. So it all depends. It's all situational. But first step is I want to see price above this high if I want to take any more continuation shorts on GJ. So we'll monitor that the rest of the week. AU has respected lows, gone long, nothing good. EU, we don't give a shit right now. All right, guys, we got news in 2.5 minutes. Nothing too crazy right now. We're over 400 viewers again today, man. I just want to say I appreciate every single one of you for hanging with me today. For the new people in here, we are running giveaways in a short while, so stay tuned. The rule is the more likes we get today, the more giveaways I can do. It's not my rule, it's the boss's rules, okay? The bosses called me up and they said, Marco, tell the chat to spam the likes. If they spam the likes, we can do more giveaways. Can't put a price on the goat. Damn. We love Marco. We love Tyler. W, man. We do love Tyler. Tyler is the homie, man. I'm telling you right now, this guy Tyler is literally made for streaming. And I've spoken about it with the other guys in CF. He is literally just a born streamer. Hilarious, entertaining, savage trader. He does it all. Tyler is actually fucking hilarious. I don't know if I can swear. Sorry about that, guys. Pardon my French. Tyler is actually the GOAT. Put me in today's giveaway. Guys, if you enter the giveaway later on, you'll be, everyone will be entered. There's no limit. But if you're not here when we do the entries, hey man, it's not my fault. I told you guys. All right. If you're not here when we have to do the entries and you're not in the giveaways, it is not my fault, man. I'll try my best for you guys. I'll try to get all of you guys in here. But yeah, if you're not in the stream when we do the entries, there's nothing I can do. We have news in 30 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. What are we going to get here? No direct entries as of yet. So everybody chill. Wait on. Wait a second. Hold on. 15 seconds here till news gets announced. I don't expect it to be too volatile, but we'll see. All right, news is out. What do you guys think? NQ short? Could NQ short above this high? Do we sprinkle a little entry? NQ could possibly short above this high. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. We enter a couple on the micros just to see if it sells off today. There's a possibility. If the higher time frame is very bearish, we've just made equals with PDL. You know what, guys? Let's do it. We'll run with it. And I'm not going to risk too much just because I'm not entirely extremely confident. But we'll toss a little bit of volume on. We're going to enter it on the micros. News was neutral. Yeah, nothing crazy. I don't expect too much on Forex, to be honest. Indices are more volatile, so I do think there will be a little bit more movement today and the rest of the week before NFP. I really don't think FX won't have too much action until NFP. Okay, but you know what? Listen, we'll take a stab on NQ. I do like the lower time frames, and I feel like maybe we can revisit PDL. It's possible, but I'm not going to go full volume. I'll tell you that right now. I will not go full volume. There's no way in hell I'll go full volume. I just can't due to what this chart looks like. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I'm only going to risk a couple cons, maybe 2 or 3 cons. 100 ticks of risk. Nothing yet. Minis and micros both haven't taken the high. We'll see, guys. I'll probably just enter 2 cons. And I'll just hold. Minis didn't take the high yet. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. If it is bearish, it should go short in this area. Okay. However, if we continue to run bullish now, all right, we above the highs, we're above the highs. All right, I'm in 2 cons. Nothing crazy. And like I said, this is not a full risk kind of position. But we'll see how it plays out. I'm only going to be I'm risking like 100 ticks, guys. So, and I only have 2 cons running. If it runs, I feel like there could be a decent bearish move. We have multiple lows on the left-hand side we can look to target. Honestly, it could come down all the way to here. Let's mark this on the 5. It could come down all the way to here if it wants to. So we'll have to wait and see. Target will be around 650 ticks, give or take. If it wants to dump, awesome. If it takes me out with 100 ticks stop, that's fine. I'll take the loss to the chin. That's no worries. For everybody asking, yes, Mr. Tyler is streaming Asia tonight. So if you guys are not doing anything, and honestly, guys, even if you are, I definitely recommend you clear your plans and you hop in the stream tonight in Asia. He goes live every Asia stream, or sorry, every Asia session, 8 p.m., I believe, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So hop in tonight. I'm going to be in chat, so I'll be hanging out with you guys. And who knows, if there's a trade, we'll all take a trade together. We'll see. We'll see. Gold, 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 guys. Gold is at all-time highs. I am not touching that thing right now. Niche Pips says, Marco, I have a terrible habit of banking half my profits at just over 1R. How did you overcome anything like this? Listen, there's no shortcut to holding your trades. You just have to experience it, do it more and more, and it'll get easier over time. It'll never be easy. That's the thing about trading. Trading will never become easy. However, it can get easier. So even for myself, the more times I hold trades, the easier it's going to be. Okay. We're getting a decent reaction on NQ right now. We're up 120 ticks. Yes. 8 p.m. Eastern. Yeah, guys, again, I won't keep repeating myself, but Asia stream tonight with Mr. Tyler on ChartFanatics live, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. He is the host. He is the host of Ducky Races. You do not want to miss that. Crazy move on NQ? No, nothing crazy yet. Don't go too crazy yet, guys. This high is still on the cards. This high is still in the cards. Okay. What we'll do is we'll just have my tool open on the minis and we'll have the trade running on the micros, because I do like to watch the trade on the minis. I don't watch it on the micros. And targets will be down here. Something like this. We'll stay on the 1 minute for now. All right, we're getting a decent reaction. What's TP for this trade? Yeah, I got it at the lows. You guys can you can partial TP however you guys want. If you want, you can close out at this low, or you close out at the lows I'm gonna hold to. I'll probably just break even my trade when we take these lows, because I'm only holding 2 cons, guys. It's a low risk trade. So if it wants to run to my target, awesome. If it wants to BE me or take me out BE, that's also fine. Understand that this low down here can get respected, so stay aware of this. See if I can find. Yeah, this area can get respected. So not an area I'll trade from, but don't be surprised if there is reactions here. What's minis? What's micros? Guys, if you look at the top of my screen right here, this is the minis chart for NQ. And then over here is MNQ, which is the micros. The micros is worth less. The minis is worth more. So due to my account sizes, I don't trade 150K size. I don't know if there's 200K. I don't think there is, but I don't trade 150K accounts. So there's no point for me to trade the minis. I just trade the micros. Promise. Listen, bro, going forward, man, if I don't see your message, there's no reason to just spam or just start spamming cap letters at me, man. I'm trying to get through all your messages as much as possible. So please don't spam chat and then start yelling at me with capital letters. Come on, man. If possible, can you change the candle colors? Bro, yo, I love this color setup. Why did you decide to short here? We took this low, took this high, which traps sellers. Okay, this is the nice area from the left-hand side we can take an entry off of. So entry goes here, stop goes above. And then if the higher time frame remains bearish, we have lots of internal lows to the left-hand side we can target. Look at all this liquidity. Okay, all of this is liquidity in my eyes. So we could target these lows on the way down. Because my higher time frame lacks a little bit of confidence right now, I'm going to be managing my trade below this low. All right. How do you partial on MT5? When you press close position, the lots come up. You just type in how many lots you want to close. That's it. It's quite easy, honestly. Chat's tweaking, bro. Chris, trust me, man. Some people tweak a little bit. Yeah, guys, listen. If you are new to futures and you're not really sure about minis and micros, go on YouTube, man. That's the same thing I did when I transitioned into futures months ago. Earlier in the year, I didn't know what minis was. I didn't know what micros was. I didn't know what anything was. So I had to figure it all out, right? Just go on YouTube, learn, apply. Don't put real money right away. That's what I didn't do. I tested for like 2 months. I learned about contracts, sizing, risk management, timing. You guys need to do that too. Put that time in. For everybody new in stream right now, guys, listen up. We are running a giveaway. Giveaways soon. So stay tuned. What time is it right now? It's 10:10. So we got some time. But we will be running giveaways soon. So if you miss your opportunity to enter, again, not my fault, man. Don't yell at me later on. You yell at me, I'm going to put you on the timeout bench. Sorry, man. Not the rules. Or sorry, not my rules. What do you think is better, CFD or futures? I think both hold great opportunities. I think both hold great opportunities. Futures is a great market to scalp intraday trade, in my opinion. And CFDs is a great market to intra-week / swing. So in my opinion, for myself at least, I trade CFDs and I only swing trade. Meaning I'll hold trades for, very rarely am I in and out the same day, but sometimes 1, 2, 3, 4 days, maybe even a week. Okay, I really like CFDs for holding positions to higher time frame targets. All right, let's see what's going on right here. The 15-minute, look at this. So I told you guys I wanted to see price above this high, which we did now. We are respecting the lows, which we also talked about. We have to anticipate that, expect it to occur. So everything's going towards the plan right now. Now, what can we frame out? A couple things. Okay, due to the price action we have in front of us right now, I wouldn't really want to see price above this high again. So I'll see the next couple candles, how they're looking. I might roll my stop above the high. All right. Yeah, I might roll above the high soon. We'll see. Because typically I manage my positions more aggressively if I lack confidence in a little bit of direction in the higher time frames. Okay, we're coming down now. What I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to take my risk off. Not risk off, but I'm going to roll my stop to 815. Right there. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of risk off the table. I'm going to roll it above that high. So now we only have, we're risking 40 ticks now. Okay, now, lesson for all you guys. I've rolled my stop. Okay, I've made that decision to roll my stop because the chart's telling me to. Okay, not because of my emotions, not because of my P&L, because the chart's telling me to. Okay, and this is a lesson for all of you guys. Do not manage your trades based off emotion. Manage your trades based off the chart. What the chart is telling you, what your plan is telling you, what your risk management plan is telling you. Okay, again, just because you're up a certain amount of money, X amount of dollars, does not mean you should be managing your trade. It's always in the charts, or in your plan, I should say. Okay, we'll stand NQ here on the mini, sorry. Passed an eval, but I was already in on the short. Good stuff, bro. So price is stalling. Price is stalling at the lows right now. Again, this red box, we marked this out beforehand. Okay, we anticipated price to struggle here. Okay, don't be alarmed if we get a move up above this high now. I would not be surprised if we spike that high before the short continues. Okay, or if the higher time frame is bullish and we continue up, do not be surprised if we just continue up to the upside. Okay, so I like being aware of all different scenarios. I don't just look at the short. Just because I'm in a short position doesn't just mean I want it short, I want it short, I want it short. No, you have to be open. You want to anticipate and expect these kind of situations before they actually occur, because it'll just help you mentally. Marco, I took a long on Euro NZD. It's flying. W, bro. Good stuff. Hopefully it plays out. When is the giveaway? We're going to be running a giveaway in a short bit. I'm going to ask based on, okay, guys, listen, we have 450 people in here, but we have 320 likes. So I don't know if the bosses are going to be too happy with that. Let me ask. Let me see what they say. Listen, if we're only giving away one account, it's not my fault. You guys didn't like it enough. I'm sorry. We'll see what the bosses say. I have to call them. Let me see what they say. Papa Riz is gonna be he's gonna be in charge of this. All right, the callers came in. We have a few giveaways to do. All right, I got you guys. Check Euro AUD. Yeah, bro. I don't look at that asset, to be honest. I haven't looked at that asset in a long time, actually. This is what the 15-minute looks like right now. We closed up a little bearish. 5-minute, we're now trading above that 5-minute high in this imbalance, which is, I believe, that high in the lower time frame here. Diogo says, yesterday I saw your video about liquidity and boom, first trade, one win. Thank you, bro. Good stuff, man. I always love seeing those kind of messages. Keep at it. Stay consistent. Learn. Study, apply. Wow. Okay, I just got some news. We have even more accounts to give away today. Oh my God. Let's go. W's. Lots of giveaways today, guys. Lock in. We'll see how NQ plays out. Not an A+ setup, not my bread and butter, but we'll see it through. We'll see what happens here. What's YM doing? YM kind of taking out some lower time frame lows, going long. NQ following suit-ish right now. We'll see what happens. Again, I have already rolled my stop, guys, so I have reduced risk now. I'm literally risking pennies. I have what? 40 ticks of risk. Absolutely next to nothing now. We'll see how the next couple candles look like. I don't want it coming too deep. The more deep it comes, the more I'm convinced we'll just run higher. So we'll have to see the next couple minutes here. What would be an A+ setup? An A+ setup would just be if I'm more confident in higher time frame. This thing could easily continue bullish still. Lots of highs to the upside. And not ideal PA right now. Not ideal. Bullish reaction right now, coming back. We'll see it through. Again, I have next to no risk on the table right now, so if it takes me out with reduced risk, that's completely fine. W's, yes sir, guys. We will be doing the giveaway shortly, so don't worry. If it is going to go short, this is where I want to see reactions, guys, in this area. If not, we going higher. We going higher. Aussie continuing higher. Looks like we're not going to be taking any trades on FX today, guys. Which I kind of already anticipated and expected, I'm not going to lie to you. With NFP coming on Friday, more than likely FX is going to be extremely slow the closer we get to NFP. So, today, tomorrow, Thursday. And then once NFP gets released, Friday, 8:30 a.m., things will look clear. Trade gold or not? No, hell no, man. No gold trade for me. When an asset is at all-time highs, it is no trading for Marco. All-time highs mean no. Bad news. That's bad news bears. That's bad news bears. Be careful trading any sort of asset at all-time highs, whether that's an indice, whether that's gold. Was there a trade on FX on Euro USD today? No, there was not. There was no trade on any FX pairs for myself. I didn't miss a single trade on FX. Nothing pretty. All right, guys, we got in that little bit of a reaction right now, which is good news. This is what I wanted to see. I wanted to see a reaction in this area that we talked about. Now we need to see that follow through. Okay, again, price can stall here for a bit. Let me mark it up. Price can stall here for a bit in this red area. Overall, I do want to see continuations to the downside. So we want to continuously see some bearish closures down. If we don't, I'll probably close out BE and just wrap it up for the day. German 30 longs below PDL. I'm sidelined on German 30, bro. I have some highs we've talked about earlier in the stream I'm interested in. But be careful trading this thing right now. It's in a weird spot. We're leaving liquidity on both sides of the market currently. All right, so be aware of that. Please be careful. Watching from Japan, W, man. I want to go to Japan so bad. Lots of places in Asia I want to visit. Vietnam, Japan, Indonesia. With the wifey, of course. Jonathan says, I'm holding with you, brother. SL or TP. There you go, bro. Don't I hope you didn't over risk, because again, this is not a bread and butter kind of trade. If it rolls over, cool. It's getting to that point where it's like a now or never kind of point, because I do want to see the rollover happen from here. Everything's happened that I want to see happen. Okay, so if it continues up, it's just gonna probably take up the high, and then all of these highs as well, in my opinion. So we'll see what happens. Next couple minutes will make sense. Bro, I want to trade crypto with you. I don't trade crypto, bro. I do not trade crypto. Shirag says, I'm done for the day. Nothing clean yet. See you guys Thursday, W day. No worries, bro. Have a good rest of your day. Much love to you. But yes, other than this, even this is not like super clean. So if you guys missed this, you're not in this, don't worry, because it is not super clean. What we're going to do now, though, is since we're getting this reaction, I'm BEing myself. Okay, I am going to be BE on this trade. Boom. All right. So worst case scenario now, I make $0. I lose $0. Life is good, man. Life is good. That's it. Simple as that. How do you journal? Guys, TradeZella. TradeZella. Look down below here. It's going to come up soon. TradeZella. If you do not use TradeZella, I don't know what you're doing. The best platform out there. Like nothing compares. Nothing out there. Anyone that releases any new journals, not even close. Not even close. All right, and I have good news for you guys. We're going to be doing a TradeZella giveaway today. 6, count them, 6 months. TradeZella. Wait. You want to know, guys, you want to know what giveaway we're doing today?
6, count them, 6 months. TradeZella.
There you go. You heard it here first. We got, listen, you know what? I'll leak the giveaway. I'll leak the giveaway. Everybody in here, all 400 of you in here right now, listen up. Listen carefully. Okay? I spoke to the bosses. Let me a second. 1 sec. I gotta put. Spoke to the bosses. All right. 1 second. All right. Listen up. What giveaways do we have today? We got 3 Apex. How are ya? 2 Alpha Capital. 25K accounts. How are ya? And then of course, the last giveaway we will be doing.
Six, count 'em, 6 months. TradeZella.
Oh baby, we got some good giveaways today. 6, count 'em, 6 months. TradeZella. Tyler, let me know if you like that one. We're so sick, guys. We are so sick. Oh man. Bro, what's your discipline? How many SL in a day? Bro. How many SL in a day? You'll never see me take more than 2. And if I do take 2, or if I do take more than 2, that's because maybe one of my initial SLs was like a reduced risk. But typically, if I take like 2 full SLs, then you won't see me trade anymore after that. W's? What are you guys spamming W's for? Much love, but listen, okay. You know what we'll do? You know what we'll do? NQ is gonna go long. I'm telling you guys this right now. That's why I BE'd my entry. Okay, it's gonna go long, and I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. I already knew that this trade was not gonna work out. You see that? Because I'm a fortune teller, man. Joke's on you guys. I can literally see the future. I'm gonna take a BE on this trade. I'm gonna be BE on this trade, and guess what? I don't care. I don't care. All right, 1 second. Let me talk to the man of the show, Mr. Anthony. We have to figure out what the code is gonna be today. 1 second, guys. We have to figure out what the code is gonna be today for the giveaway. Bosco says sell trade running on YM, pray for me. Okay, listen, guys, listen. I love the W's, but no more W's. Stop spamming W's. No more W's. No more W. Stop spamming. I'm not gonna run the giveaway until we stop spamming. No more spamming. I'm not running the giveaway till we stop. All right. Okay. No more W's. You enter this trade or not? Yes, sir. I'm in this trade. Okay. The rules. Okay. Let me discuss the rules with you guys. All right. Listen. To enter today's giveaway, you're going to have to type a word. Okay. You can only type it once. If you type it more than once, I'm gonna ban you. All right, I'm gonna put you on that timeout bench. All right, you're gonna be sitting with Jimmy and Jonathan over on the timeout bench over there. All right, so you have to type the word once. What's the word, you may ask? Let's look at the chart here. Okay, I'm gonna type a word in on the charts. Okay, I'm gonna type a word in. Whatever word I type is the word it'll be to take an entry in the giveaway. Okay? Again, you can only type it once. You type it more than once, I'm timing you out, and you can't claim your giveaway. Very, very valid question, Tyler. Very, very valid question. He said, what about Billy and Hector? That's as well. Billy and Hector have been on the bench. They've been on the timeout bench for 3 weeks now. Okay? I've duct taped them to the bench. They're not getting off. They're on the bench permanently. Okay? You guys don't want to be with Billy and Hector. If you're with Billy and Hector, that's not good news. Okay? All right. The code we're gonna use for giveaway is gonna be boom, exclamation mark join, exclamation mark join, exclamation mark join. Type it once. Type it once. That's it. All right, and I'm gonna get my Wheel of Fortune ready over here because I do the Wheel of Fortune. All right, that's all I do for giveaways. Nothing too special, but it's always a good time. Okay. If you guys want to watch duck races, you have to watch that with Tyler because Tyler is the owner of duck races. He's the CEO. He's the commissioner. I'm BE'd on NQ, and remember what I told you guys? I'm the fortune teller. I told you guys I was gonna get BE'd before it happened. I'm not gonna tell you how I knew it, but okay, guys, yeah, exclamation mark join. If you guys have not yet already, this is the code. Cool. We're going to wrap it up in 10 seconds here. Pause. Okay, guys. That's it. Cut them off. We cut them off. No more. No more spamming in chat. No more spamming. It is done. Entries are closed. Look. Entries are closed. Done. Entries are closed for giveaway. Better luck next time. Okay, there you go. If you guys didn't wait around for the entries, hey man, it's not my fault. I tried my best. I'm gonna put a happy face right here for you guys too. Entries are closed. Wow, guys, look. You see the bot? The bot's doing its thing. You spam, you get timed out. You see that? You spam, you get timed out. Hey man, it's not my fault. You only have to type it once. You have to understand, guys, the more you type it, it doesn't do anything for you. It actually does you a disservice, because then you get timed out. Look at that. Everyone's getting timed out because you're not listening. Not my fault. Not my fault. All right. I am getting all the names right now. Lock in. Oh my God, this is going to be so good. All right, guys. Let me plug them all in. Boom. All right. We are back. We are back. We are back. All right, listen. If you guys are just joining in now, we are running giveaways because that's what we do over here. We give back to you guys as much as we can, okay? First, we have 3 Apex accounts. 3. Count them, 3 Apex accounts. First winner to a free Apex challenge is gonna go to, drum roll, Like This Show. You know what? I like that name because he's telling you guys to like the stream if you have not liked it already. Look, we're running giveaways for you guys. Like this show. Congratulations. Round of applause. Round of applause. Like this show, you got to show me a sign of life. Show me a sign of life. If you're in here, I need to know you're alive and well. Where's sign of life? Or sorry, sign of life. Where's Like This Show? Like This Show. Are we gonna have to do a rerun? Are we gonna have to do a rerun? Like This Show. I'm sorry, man. Wifey says, let me pick a winner instead. I'm gonna give them, oh, they're here. Like This Show. W. Congratulations. You have won yourself a Apex Trader Funding Challenge for free. Head over to the Discord, follow the instructions carefully, and you're gonna have yourself a free Apex account. Wonderful. We'd love to see it. W's. Now, on to the next account. Lock in. The next winner for an Apex account, free Apex account, goes to, please be an easy name to pronounce. Now what? Yo, I like that name. Now what? Now what? Well, now we have a new winner. See what I did there? Now what? Congratulations. Congratulations. You have won yourself a free Apex funding trader account. Size of your choosing, I'm pretty sure as well, which is awesome. You need to show me a sign of life now. Now, what are these names? Yo, Chris, good question, bro. Now, oh, perfect. He's here. W. Let's go. Congratulations, bro. You have won yourself a new free account. To claim your giveaway, of course, just follow the directions that the mods are going to post here. You have to head over into the giveaway. And yeah, you got yourself a brand new account. Congratulations. All right, on to the next one. This is going to be the third Apex account, the third and final Apex account. We're going to have more. Chill out on me. We're going to have more. All right. But this is going to be the third and final Apex account. Lock in. Lock in. Winner for the third Apex account is going to be Tony Forex. Tony Forex. Tony Forex. Congratulations, bro. You have won yourself a giveaway to a free Apex challenge account. Account size of your choice. You just got to show me a sign of life in chat. If you're alive and you're well and you didn't get eaten by a lion in the last 3 minutes, then you're good to go. Just show me a sign of life. Where are you at, Tony? Tony, let's go. There you are. Congratulations, bro. W's. W's for you, Tony. Congratulations. Please claim your giveaway by following the instructions in chat by the mods. There you go. Congratulations, Tony. You've won yourself a 300K Apex Trader Funding Challenge. Let's go. Who else is doing it like us? All right? Nobody. On to the next giveaway. All right. Yes. We're moving on to the CFD space. So for all of you Forex guys and girls, ladies, gents, Forex time. We have 2 alpha accounts to give away. 25K alpha accounts. Lock in. All right? Lock in. That's all you got to do. Lock in. Lock in. Perfect. Done. First winner. Apex account. CFD 25K is going to go to... Easy name, easy name, easy name, please. Easy name. Jeremiah Reeves. Jeremiah Reeves. Congratulations. W to Jeremiah Reeves. You know the drill. Show me a sign of life in chat. Let me know you're alive and well and you didn't get eaten by a tiger. Lock in or clock in. Let's go. Where you at? Where you at, Jeremiah? Where you at, Jeremiah? Talk to me. Show me a sign of life. Where you at? Jeremiah? This is getting awkward. Oh, he's here. Here, bro. Let's go, Jeremiah. Congratulations, bro. You've won yourself a... What did you win? Alpha account. A 25K alpha account. Thank you so much. Of course, bro. I'm glad you won. Thank you for being so polite and saying thank you. Thank you. You should be winning there. Mods will type it in chat for you in a moment, but please follow the directions down in chat. I'm pretty sure you got to head over to the Discord. Claim, there it is. Congratulations, Jeremiah. You have won a Alpha Capital Group challenge. Please raise a support ticket on Discord to claim your giveaway. All right, we got another Alpha account to give away. Drum roll. This is the last Alpha account, so lock in or clock in. I like that message from before. Everyone's saying nos, nos, nos. Guys, it took me out BE. I don't care what happens now. Nothing for me. No bueno. So don't worry. Back to the giveaway. We got another Alpha account to give away. Everybody hold the phone. Hold the phone. One more Alpha account to give away. Lock in. The last winner for Alpha accounts goes to... Please an easy name. Easy name, please. Easy name, please. Oh my God. Oh my God. No way. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Congratulations. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Please show me a sign of life in chat. You have won yourself a free Alpha account. Man, W. Again, this is a massive thank you. A massive thank you to all of our sponsors that are able to supply us accounts like this to give away back to you guys. We always want to give away as much as possible. What a wonderful stream we've had today. We still have one more giveaway to do, but I just want to say thank you so much for all of you for hanging with me today. We peaked over like 450 viewers again today, which is, it's insane. And we're over 400 likes. So because of that, we're running all these giveaways for you guys. So W's in chat. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Love all of you. What a good time this is, man. Okay, listen. The time we have all been waiting for. I don't know if Tyler's in chat. Is he in chat right now? But the time, the moment we have all been waiting for. Everybody knows what time it is. All right? And if you don't know what time it is, that's because you're new here, and that's okay. But guys, 1 second. 1 sec. Right? Some of you here in this chat may be asking, what time is it? Right? I don't have my watch on today. And you might be asking, what time is it? You know what? I'll tell you what time it is. Okay? I'll tell you what time it is. Listen and listen carefully.
6, count 'em, 6 months. TradeZella.
That's what time it is. It's 6:15. Count 'em, 6 months. TradeZella. 6 months with the best platform in the industry. Who could not be hyped for this right now? Come on, man. 6 months. Count them. Not 3. Not 4. Not 5. 6. All right. Okay. What a beautiful stream we've had today. I enjoyed every moment with you guys. To close off the great stream we had, there's no better way to do it than to run this TradeZella giveaway. Who's ready for this giveaway? Oh my God, someone said in chat Vietnam time. W's in chat to anybody in here that's Vietnamese. We love them. Okay. Giveaway time. Oh my God, TradeZella. 6 months, count them. 6 months. TradeZella. Drum roll. Oh my God. Who's gonna win? Lock in. The winner for the 6 months TradeZella subscription goes to Gusta Forex. Oh my word. If you're not in your chair right now, fist pumping the air or headbutting your wall in your celebration, I don't know what you're doing, because you have just won yourself a free 6-month subscription to TradeZella. Welcome to the TZella family. All right. Welcome and congratulations. Today is a good day for you, sir. Today is a really good day for you. Second, my mic is falling over here from me going crazy. Show me a sign of life. Gusta Forex, you're in here. Let's go. W, brother. Congratulations. You have won yourself a free 6-month subscription to TradeZella. So that's friggin' awesome, man. That's so awesome. That, dude, the fact that we can do this almost, I think every single stream, we can give stuff away to you guys. That is, again, massive thank you to all of our sponsors over from Funded Next, over at Alpha, over at Apex, TradeZella. Life is good, man. I just want to take this a moment to, let me talk to you guys real quick. I just want to take this moment to say thank you to all of you for hanging with me today. I always have a great time with you guys. Honestly, every single Tuesday and Thursday, I look forward to it. I always wake up on Tuesday and Thursday with a big smile on my face to come hang out with you guys. Thank you for hanging through these 2 hours with me. It's always a great time. Seriously, I'll never take this for granted. Being able to hop on stream with ChartFanatics, to hop on stream with all of you guys. It's a big thank you to the ChartFanatics team, and also to, of course, Riz and some people that you don't really know in the back end, like Josh and all you guys, Falak. Appreciate all of you guys always. Yeah, man, what a great time this always is. Before we sign off, tonight, Mr. Tyler is going live for you guys. Asia session. So, of course, for me, that's 8 p.m. 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. W Ant, that's another, listen, I forgot, I don't want to say I forgot, but W Ant in chat. W Ant, without Anthony, yo, these streams run as smooth as possible, and that's because of Anthony, okay? Without him, without Ant, these streams wouldn't run like this. All right, so again, big thanks to him, big thanks to the whole ChartFanatics team. If you guys are free tonight, Asia, 8 p.m., lock in. All right, I'm gonna be in the chat, and if I'm in the chat, you guys gotta be in the chat. All right, but that's all the news. If you guys haven't joined the Discord yet, mods, spam it in the chat quickly before we sign off. But yeah, I will see you guys in the Discord. I will see you guys tonight on Asia with Tyler. Thank you, love you all. Be safe, trade safe. I'll see you guys on Thursday for another stream in New York. Take care, guys. All the best.